Okay, y'all, the meat is ready. It's in the Dutch oven and it's getting ready to go in the oven. And I've put a little beef broth in here and some Lipton onion soup mix. So here it is, and I'll show you the finished product in just a few minutes. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. The gravy, the roux, should I say? And this is the beef steaks that I cooked in the oven for an hour and 45 minutes. It is so tender, and here it is plated. A plate full of goodness, gravy over rice with the beef steaks. And please subscribe, like, share, follow, tap the notification bell to be reminded of the uploads. Thank you so much for joining. As always, I love each and every one of you. And I will talk to you on the next exciting video. Bye now.